has landed at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Manila. We are now taxiing towards Terminal 3 for your proper and safe embarkation. Mga Pilipini ginang at Ginoo, kalalapag po lamang natin sa paliparang pandaigdig ng Ninoy Aquino. On behalf of our flight deck headed by Captain Hopilenia, ABS is by First Officer of, together with 3 flight teams, we have Maria, Jover, and Kevin. This is Vicky, thanking you for flying with Cebu Pacific Air. It has been a privilege to have you with us tonight. We look forward to seeing you again in the near future. And remember, for the lowest fares, always log on to CebuPacificAir.com. Once again, we sincerely apologize for the delay of this flight, and we hope we will get up to you on one of your future flights with us.
For your importance to us, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop. Please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before you get your bags or use the lavatory. Exercise caution when opening the overhead lids, as the items inside might have been dislodged or shifted during aircraft movement. As a safety precaution, all portable electronic devices must remain in silent mode or switched off. Voice calls are prohibited until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the cabin doors have been opened. Before deplaning, please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. May we remind guests with infants that the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. Kindly leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket. Please be advised that the unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a criminal offense. In the interest of safety, guests are advised to walk through designated areas at the ramp as directed by the ground personnel. You are prohibited to walk under the aircraft wings, and please refrain from taking pictures at the ramp due to the busy ground servicing activities. Thank you. As a safety precaution, please wait for the fasten seatbelt sign to be switched off before standing out to get your bags. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Ladies and gentlemen, for guests with onward domestic or international connecting flights on Cebu Pacific, you are advised to proceed immediately to the transfer desk located at the arrival hall.